Okay, guys, once again, I have some nail mail, a small little nail polish haul from CVS, a beauty supply store, and some items from the Dollar Tree. So let's get into it. I did get my polish pickup today. I have not opened it, so I wanted to open it with you all. So give me just a moment to cut this bag open. So I did get a different dimensions polish, and this is the card. It's just saying that thank you for ordering from different dimension, and they're also giving me a 25% off my next purchase before November of 1st, 2020. So I'm going to hold on to that, and let me show you. I'm going to save that polish for last so y'all can see the gorgeousness. But I did open that up and I did get a polish for different dimensions. So that'll be a surprise at the end. My other nail mail came from Customs Declaration. I did get this from eBay. And this is the beautiful plate that I got. It's a Nicole Diary plate. So let me give you the product code on the back here. And I'll put a link in the description box. But this is a Nicole Diary plate. I've never purchased from Nicole Diary before. I've never had their plates. I'm not it doesn't feel well etched, so I don't know how well this plate is going to work for me, but I will test this out. I will do a separate video. But this is Nicole Diary L30. So I will swatch this. I'll go ahead and peel this off so you can see it clearer, and I will swatch this in a separate video. And here's a bit of peel porn for you. So here we go. Let's go from the top. Isn't that pretty, y'all? I love all these images. When I saw it, I said, oh my goodness. Look at that. I just had to have it. You can either color in, do some reverse stamping with these images. Just simply gorgeous. Astronomical images. Just, oh. I mean, just a little bit of everything. I just simply love it. I did get 2 polishes from CVS. These will look great for Halloween. I wasn't doing that for Halloween, but these are some beautiful polishes. This one is Tango Star. Really pretty. I'm going to swatch these in this video today. Very beautiful. My son in there watching something. Y'all excuse that noise. And this one is called Darkness Falls. And if you can see it a bit, I'm not sure if you can see it in this video, but I can see some purple flash or shimmers, purple and pink shimmers in it. Really pretty. It's not just a flat color. It's got a lot of shimmer in it. So that's very pretty. If you can see that. Can you see it? Let me flex in the brush a bit. Very pretty. So I will swatch that. The next polish that I have, I found for the beauty supply store. They had it for 75 cents. I didn't have a glitter polish or topper like this. So I said, oh, look at the top coming up. Oh my gosh, look at this. No wonder 75 cents. Look at that brush, y'all. OMG. Hot mess. It's a Santee polish. This is Santee. This is a Santee polish. And it is called 03 Princess. So cute. I thought that was so cute. And a clear base with those white and pink. Looks like pink metallic. And also some white flat hexagon and shards and even small glitters. So I thought that was really pretty. But that's a Santee nail polish. One other thing that I found at the Dollar Tree is a makeup brush. I just had it here a minute ago. What did I do with it? Here it is. An e.l.f. makeup brush. This is a face sculpting or contour brush. And when they first came out with these brushes, they were like between $6 to $8, and I was able to snag one at the Dollar Tree for $1. So if you like these brushes, if you contour with your makeup, you might want to check out Dollar Tree. They do have these e.l.f. brushes for $1 now. And let's see, this is what I found. This Sassy+Chic nail grooming kit. And what was so funny, I saw this nail file that looks kind of like a glass nail file. This is an 8-piece set. You have your emery board, a decorative emery board. Looks like you can do it on both sides because it feels gritty on this side too. Then you've got your nail clippers here. You've got cuticle nipper, cuticle pusher. Now this, I may not use the nipper, but the pusher is it's very soft. It's flexible, so that's good. Then you've got these individual. I like this because it's separate. It's not all in one. So I really do like that. You don't have your toes like this. So I really like that this is separate. They're Dollar Tree is really just stepping up their game. And then they have this imitation. It's very flexible. It's not, because I see an indentation here. It's not a genuine file, but it does have a grit. So it's filing. It does file. We'll see how well it holds up, but pretty decent gift for just $1. So this is what we were all waiting for at the end. This different dimension polish. OMG, guys. Look at this polish. Look at this beauty. Oh my gosh. Do you see that gorgeousness? Look at that beauty. Oh my gosh. So let's watch this, y'all. Let's watch these polishes really quickly. So if you're looking to do a Halloween mani, this will be some great metallic colors. All right, that is one coat of Tango Star. Now we're gonna put on Darkness Falls. Also Poparazzi. It's like it looks like it's got it's gray, but it's kind of got like a blue undertone to it. And I think that's the shimmers in it that's giving us that look. Look at those shimmers, y'all. Oh, isn't that pretty? Can't wait to see what it looks like when I put another swatch. This is the Princess. Oh, wow. Look at this. Isn't that just so cute? I'm so glad I got this. I'm using this wonky brush, but I think once I put it in there correctly, it'll lay down in there right, like it's supposed to. But isn't that just so dainty and cute? I mean, I like the satin looking look of the glitters. Look how it shimmers and shines. Oh, Isn't that so cute and dainty? All right. And here we go with different dimensions. And I'm sorry, I didn't even give you the name. It is called, it's Electrifying, and it is a magnetic polish. Y'all know. Y'all know I love magnetic polish. And it does say on the bottom that you need to use a strong magnet for the best result. Okay. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous, y'all? OMG. And this one is not thin. This one has great creamy consistency. It is, that's opaque in one coat, y'all. So this one, you don't have to really build up, and you don't have to put a base color to build it up. I'm going to put one more coat so I can give it a little bit more effect with the magnet, but I might be able to use the other magnet. Let's test that out and see. Oh gosh, look at that. OMG, look at that. You can see the glitters in it. The gold yellow shift. Oh, the blue pink glitters. Oh my gosh, that is just gorgeous. So let me go ahead and put another coat of Tango Star. Darkness Falls. Yeah, that's got a lot of blue shimmer in that, a blue tint to it. It's not a stark gray. And then another coat of Princess. This is the right name for this polish because it is so dainty and just delicate and cute. And because the glitters are just, it's not a flat, it's like a metallic Barbie, a light pink. It's a metallic pink. And it is just really, really pretty. And I do see now that it did lose, I don't know if because I had the magnet over near it, it's like it lost its magnetic shape. But I'm going to put one more coat. It is very thick. And this one, like I said, you do not have to build it up to bring it up to opacity. It is very creamy in consistency. It is a one coater, which I am glad of. And look at that. That is just gorgeous, y'all. So those are the polishes that I have. Like I said, I didn't purchase very many, just these few. This is the one for the polish pickup for August. And these are the polishes from Poparazzi I got from CVS. And this is the one I got from the beauty supply store. So you guys let me know what you think of these items. If you're going to go to the Dollar Tree to pick up the e.l.f. brush. And if you're going to pick up the nail kit. The nail grooming kit. I almost forgot about this makeup brush grooming brush cleaning mitt. You just simply put it on your first two fingers and clean it that way. That's another item that I did find at the Dollar Tree. And if you might possibly purchase this Nicole Diary plate. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. You guys be blessed. Let me know what you think. Give this a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll know when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. You guys be blessed. I will see you in the next video. And don't forget, allow the man to take hold and watch the magic appear. Bye.